What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one piece of tech I use every day. Okay, every day, whatever I do, if I'm shooting a video, if I'm recording my voice, if I'm streaming, if I'm gaming, if I'm building a Hackintosh, I always need this. I can't live without this piece of tech. Now you guys might be thinking what I'm about to tell you guys. Audio interface. Audio interface I use with everything. If I'm streaming, if I'm like live streaming, if I'm like gaming, basically even the smallest task I do, I need this piece of hardware. Now as you guys know, I use like a cheap microphone. I just have a Focusrite audio interface, a 2x2, but I use like cheap like a BM800 microphone you can pick up for like 15 bucks. So if you have an audio interface, you can use any XLR microphone, and trust me, it doesn't matter if your microphone is like cheap, even you buy it for $15, your microphone will sound a lot better when you connect that microphone to your audio interface. Now as you guys know, I have a Focusrite Scarlett 2x2 2nd gen. You can pick up this audio interface for maybe somewhere right now. If you buy used, brand new I believe $159, but used you can pick up for like maybe $80-90. Now if you pick up Focusrite Scarlett Solo 2nd gen, I would recommend you guys to pick up 2nd gen, not the 1st gen, because 1st gen doesn't have like proper driver, like updated driver and stuff. So definitely I would recommend going with like a 2nd gen, and you can pick up 2nd gen for maybe right now for like $60 to $70. If you are not using 2 XLR microphone, then you don't need Scarlett 2x2. You can just go with like a Focusrite Scarlett Solo just for one person, and you can use this audio interface from Focusrite Scarlett with your Hackintosh build. Now the biggest problem with the Hackintosh build, like most of the time, it's so hard to sometimes configure the sound, right, the audio. Now if you have this Focusrite 2x2, the one I have, you can easily just connect the USB and run your speaker through it, and you don't have to configure audio or anything. Now if you're a content creator, like if you do a lot of like videos and stuff, you edit a lot of videos and stuff, and you like to use Hackintosh, then you should definitely have one of these audio interface. The only reason I'm talking about Focusrite, maybe you can try any other audio interface, but I know Focusrite Scarlett 2x2 or Focusrite Scarlett Solo works really good with Mac. They have really good Mac driver support. So if you're planning on getting an audio interface, I would personally recommend you guys go with use Focusrite audio interface. It could be 2x2. They have, I think, brand new 2x2 right now. I think 3rd gen, $159, a little smaller, and I think a little lighter. You should have this tag. This tag is really important, okay? If you're a content creator, like I say, you need one of these. If you pick up this like audio interface like Focusrite for like, let's put this $60-70, you don't have to worry about every time you install Mac OS, like configuring your audio, then your maybe audio is not working properly, and then you pulling your hair. Like, trust me, it's really important. Alright guys,